Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Elden Ring with mods. First, it is crucial to understand that modding carries some risks, such as game instability or even save file corruption. Always back up your game saves before you begin. Using a reliable mod manager will significantly simplify the entire process, making installation and removal much smoother. This initial preparation ensures a safer and more enjoyable modding experience for everyone. To begin modding, you will need a few essential tools. The Elden Ring mod loader is vital for integrating most mods into your game. Next, install the anti-cheat toggler. This disables the game's online anti-cheat, which is necessary for mods to function offline. Finally, the UXM selective unpacker helps extract game files, preparing them for modification. These three tools form the foundation of your modding setup. Once you have your tools, installing mods is straightforward. Typically, you will place downloaded mod files into specific game directories, often within the mod folder created by your mod loader. After placing them, activate the mods using your mod manager. It is highly recommended to install and test each mod one by one. This method helps you quickly identify and resolve any potential conflicts or problems. Even with careful installation, you might encounter issues. Always read the mod's description thoroughly for unique installation steps or compatibility notes. If you face persistent problems, reverting to a clean, unmodded game installation is often the quickest fix. Finally, engage with the vibrant Elden Ring modding communities online. They offer invaluable support, troubleshooting advice, and a fantastic way to discover new and exciting modifications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.